Thank you for watching this video in the Faculty Insight. The way I've been trying to communicate with faculty is I have one email called the Faculty Heads Up, which comes earlier in the month, and then I have a follow-up email which comes in the Faculty Insight, which is this email. And I'm finding it very useful because when I give a heads up, things change, and things did change this month. We had a lot of instances and development, so I wanted to give you an update on what happened this month, and it's all reflected in the agenda, which is located in this email. Okay, so we had our Faculty Council meeting on January 11 on Osceola campus, Building 1, 219B, from 2 to 5 p.m. When you go through the agenda, again, if you need any of our information, it's located here, so you can contact anybody from the roster that you need. If we can help in any way, please do not hesitate to contact your representative. We are here to help and all the meeting time. So that's all here. And again, we have amazing people on the council, so please contact them. And many of you have, and we appreciate that. I also have the What's Going On link, and in this one what we have is some things that are going on. I'm going to hopefully be going to every campus and bringing coffee and donuts. We're scheduling that with the Faculty Council presidents for engagement and just say hello to people. There's a big meeting coming up, so please check that out on February 2nd. Also nominate someone for the League Innovation. That's January 19. It's probably a little too late in this video, but hopefully you nominated one of your colleagues. We have a nationally recognized author coming. Please check that out, February 27 to 28. Also, VALIC sessions, make your appointments. Check that out. I met with my person trying to get organized, so it's a lot, but that person is there to help, and he's amazing. Also, we want to get your feedback. Dr. Sugar will be holding forums and for your input on the search for the campus president of Osceola, Lake Nona, and Point Siena. Unfortunately, we're losing Kathleen, but we're hopefully going to find someone amazing, and there's 3 opportunities. Everyone is welcome, but the topic is your input for the campus president. January 25th, 1 to 2 on Osceola, January 25th, 3 to 4 in Point Siena, and Lake Nona, January 30, 1 to 2. Some wonderful opportunities there. Also, on the connections page on the bottom, I did get some information from Amy Bosley talking about VALIC being on campus. They've worked to reconfigure the staff and program development policy and guidelines, and the annually appointed faculty compensation changes went into effect. Again, everyone's information is here if you ever need to contact anybody. They're all amazing people that are always there to help, so please don't hesitate to contact them as well. So I also connected to our December agenda, which we had a lot of stuff in December, so this is a good little recap of all the things that are going on. It's a nice summary of the year, actually, too, and some information, so that is always there for you as well. Just some upcoming things that you need to be aware of is we're going to start asking for your feedback. So a survey is going to be coming out very soon, and it's going to be asking how the council's doing. So please, please, please give us your feedback and encourage others to give us your feedback as well. We want to know how we're doing and how we can better serve you. The ethical conduct and performance policy, which is located here, and the changes, we're asking the council to give our feedback, and the council will be going to their campus senates and assemblies to getting feedback as well. We decided it would be a level 3, which basically means, and all the level information's here, that the council will give feedback on it, but the council works for faculty, so please let your council representatives know. And they're hoping to go to the Board of Trustees at the end of February to move this policy along. We had a very good representative team. Colin Archibald was on the team, and he did an amazing job, as well as everyone else. We're going to be in February. We're going to be asking for volunteers. Just to give you a heads up, we'll be looking for volunteers of the grievance committee, faculty member to be a college-wide ombuds person with a release, and some other calls. So please check that out, and please volunteer and encourage others to volunteer. We had some wonderful guest speakers. Wendy Dew and Molly McIntyre came to talk about hybrid. The draft is here. The council approved the draft with 2 minor changes. The 2 minor changes are if you have taught hybrid before, there may be some consideration that you don't have to go through a training. And we wanted to make sure that the definition is known to everybody, so we're going to spread the word on that. So please check out the draft and let us know if you have any feedback, but the council did approve that. And there's some data here as well. And then we had a wonderful conversation with Student Affairs and Security. We had Dr. Kim Seppage, we had Ben Lyon, we had Joe Sharubo, and we had Jill Samaclosi, as well as Mike Favorite and Paul Rooney come, and we've had some concerns from faculty about safety and security. I put some information here, so please check that out. It's kind of a snippet of information of what we've heard from faculty. It's not specific, just general themes, and we had a wonderful conversation. My big takeaway from the conversation is that faculty have concerns, and the Students Affairs team and security heard us. The next steps is we're going to continue the communication. I feel that Student Affairs are doing a good job, but there's ways we can always improve. So if you look at their flow chart, which is here, they do a great job of dealing with the student and collecting some information from faculty, but faculty could be incorporated maybe a little bit more in that flow chart and with the decision, and we gave them support. We want to help any way we can, so please include us and ask us for help anyway. We're there for you. So we'll continue those conversations. In security, Paul Rooney and Mike Favorite did a great job of explaining how security works and that they're there for us. And I have in gigantic yellow highlighted, if you feel unsafe, please call security on your campus. The security team is there for you. So if you ever feel unsafe, don't feel unsafe. Contact security. Also, Mike Favorite's office number is here, but also Mike Favorite's cell phone number. Security is dedicated to helping us and make sure that we do not feel unsafe and that they're there for us. So you can contact Mike Favorite. His cell phone number is right there, and he wants you to call him. So please, 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 if you ever feel unsafe, don't hesitate to call security. Also, I did put some information about the incident that happened on East Campus. I'm going in security and student affairs, also going to the East Campus Senate meeting this week, which happens tomorrow, but by the time you get this video, it would have been in the past. But here's the communication from Paul Rooney. Here's my communication follow-up to the council, sketch of the person, and then also some information here. Some people have brought up, what about your Valencia alert? Mine worked, everything was good, but there's some reports that people may not have received their Valencia alert, and you may need to update it, so your instructions are here. And also Student Affairs gave us some tools that they use when they deal with students. Again, if there's anything I can do to help with this situation, please let me know. But your comments have been heard, but we want to keep them going. So if you ever feel unsafe or have any issues, please do not hesitate to contact me, your faculty representative, student affairs, or security. And we're going to work harder to work more together in the future. We received some campus Senate Assembly president's reports. Everything seems to be going okay on campuses, but remember, your feedback is important. Please talk to your campus Senate or Assembly, and then that comes up to the council. Again, I'm going to try to go to every campus with coffee, tea, and donuts to have some engagement with faculty. We're going to give some feedback. There's an initiative to use some dry erase crayons, so we're going to give our feedback first. We're the pilot group to see how that is. The feedback is located here. And then we're hopefully going to get some more faculty engagement ideas to get faculty together. Our next meeting is on February 8th from 2 to 5 p.m. at East Campus, 5112. And please, 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 if there's anything I can do for you, don't hesitate to contact me directly. And I appreciate all the hard work you do to help our students be successful. Thank you.